Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the first half of July 2025. The 2nd of July 2025. Investiture ceremony. The commencement of the Student Council for the academic year 25-26 took place in an investiture ceremony held on 2nd of July 2025. Speaking during the occasion, Ms. Anita Nadarajan, the Director of Hotel Pioneer Grand Palace, Nagercoil, and Convener of the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, Kanyakumari District, urged the students to develop confidence, discipline, and service-oriented mindset. Addressing the gathering in an inspiring speech, Mr. C. Subhash, former judge of Tamil Nadu Judicial Service, advocate of High Court of Madras, senior consultant of the Government of India and professor of law at Hindustan College, Chennai, stressed the value of punctuality, empathy and sympathy as key traits of true leadership and encouraged the student representatives to be compassionate leaders who listen, act with integrity and make ethical decisions. Mrs. A.R. Chitralekha, a former alumni and wife of Mr. Subhash, also graced the occasion with her presence. The office bearers of the Student Council, represented by the President, Ms. A. Jo Nithuna, the Vice President, Ms. S. Abara, the Secretary, Ms. A. Angeline Heba Grace, the Joint Secretary, Ms. J. Infant Jissa, and the department representatives were honoured with a sash, a pedant, a badge, a candle, and bouquet by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the College, Dr. Sister Francie, the Vice Principal of the College, and the dignitaries. The oath of office of the student leaders was followed by a cultural performance by the students that lit a vibe of extra cheer to the ceremony. The 5th of July 2025, session on Mindful Classroom. In a session titled The Mindful Classroom Begins With You, organized by the Crossian Center for Faculty Development in association with the Health and Hygiene Committee, Reverend Sister Rosary Sahai Rani, Counselor and Psychotherapist, Director of Servite Counseling Center, Vattakarai, Nagercoil, emphasized the importance of cultivating mindfulness both personally and professionally and introduced various practical techniques to enhance mental clarity and emotional balance in ways that could be integrated into the everyday routine of the participants. The 7th of July 2025, Orientation on Curriculum and Co-Curriculum. The Dean of Academic Affairs, Dr. P. Satya, oriented all the first-year undergraduates and postgraduates on curriculum, co-curriculum, non-major electives, certificate courses, MOOCs, SWAYAM, and NPTEL learning opportunities made available at the college during the students' tenure of study. On the same day, the Department of Zoology organized a hands-on training session on paper bag making. In the peer learning activity led by Ms. Abhi Esther, a postgraduate student of the department, students took the lead in teaching fellow students on how to craft simple, eco-friendly paper covers. The session received enthusiastic participation, created environmental awareness, and served as a platform to experience the joy of peer learning. The 8th to 9th of July 2025, Van Mahotsav Celebration 2025. The Department of Botany spearheaded the Van Mahotsav Celebration 2025 by organizing photography, essay writing, slogan writing, pencil sketching and video making contests on the theme A Tree in the Name of Mother. The 11th of July 2025, State Level Entrepreneurship Idea Contest. The Deanery of Entrepreneurship and IIC of our college, in association with the Joint Directorate of Collegiate Education Tirunelveli, organized a state-level entrepreneurship idea contest for college students across Tamil Nadu in 2 rounds. In the first round, a wide range of innovative business proposals were submitted and rigorously screened. The most promising entries were shortlisted and the selected teams presented their ideas through live demonstrations in the final round. In recognition of outstanding entrepreneurial ideas, the best performing teams were awarded cash prizes with the first prize of Rs 10,000, second prize of Rs 5,000 and third prize of Rs 2,000 each. Annual World Population Day. On the same day, the PG and Research Department of Economics organized verse writing, essay writing, and drawing competitions to mark World Population Day and also to spread awareness on the global impact of rise in population. the 13th of July 2025 to the 22nd of July 2025. NCC Inter-Unit Competitions. In the NCC Inter-Unit Competitions for the Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andaman region held at Puducherry, 4 cadets from our college who received prior training from the 3rd TN Naval Unit of NCC actively participated in the drill, boat pulling, triggering and boat modeling competitions. Signing of MOU. Our college entered into a memorandum of understanding with Nudana Trust Mulagmudu to strengthen extension activities and community engagement initiatives. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.